This is for James. I'm just going to fly this Majestic Major with the Gerald Smith Skylark, and I'll show you how I start it up. Hopefully, just checking the up elevator. I've got right rudder and left rudder, and I've got the throttle, so that's good. So we're good to start. So the ignition's off. I'm just going to give it a bit of a choke, try and get some fuel to come through. It didn't suck very well, so I'll blow some through like that, and then I'll give it a bit more throttle. There we are. Connect the plug up. We'll cross all our fingers and hope for the best. And nothing. Good. I'll try again. I'll put some more. Maybe not got enough fuel in it yet.
Are you okay with it in portrait mode or do it in landscape?
Yeah, whichever way is fine. Put a bit more fuel in it. Right, let's try again. And here we go. Try and take off dead into wind. You haven't got a lot of power. Steering slow. Fun today.
Say it again.
I said when we come to land it's going to be a little bit of fun because the wind's right across the runway, but we'll try. So we're throttled back now to about half throttle. It took everything to get it off the ground. Maybe I should have pumped up the tyres a bit, but it always takes everything to get it off the ground. But then once you're up, you know, you can throttle back and just enjoy the moment.
Got that one, I think. Blue sky, that's good.
Okay, so we'll try for a landing just for fun pass anyway. I didn't have enough idle taken off it, so we weren't going to come down at all. Thanks, Derek. Oh, we're coming down now anyway.
Well done.